Happy 26th, guys. This is Boxing Day. Happy Boxing Day. I'm very excited for my new software. So I'm a Cubase guy. I've been using Cubase for many years. That Cubase has been my dog for a very long time. So I'm Cubase. I know a lot of people are probably Logic or Pro Tools, but whatever works for you, as long as you make good music. So I've used all forms of Cubase, from Cubase 4 to 5 to try a little bit of I think the 8 or something. Now I'm on the 10. This is the Cubase 10. All right, this is the brand new Cubase, just came out. It just came out, does everything, does everything I wanted to do for me. I'm testing it out. The good thing about sticking to one DAW that you're used to is it's easy to transition. All right, like everything's the interface might be different, but not too much. Everything is the same. I can find my zoom and zoom out button the same area. My transport bar, this is the same thing. Just make a little bit of adjustments to add my plugins. The same thing. The plugin manager looks the same. Blacklist. I didn't have a blacklist on the last Cubase. I don't think so, but now I do have. So everything on 32 bits is gone. Everything now I'm running on 64 bit. That's why I had to upgrade. So I better make sure of that. So this is just me showing my Cubase. And now, would you rather produce in a standalone, or would you rather produce in a DAW? All right. I do a little bit of both. As I use my Machine, I'm opening up Machine. So I use Machine as a standalone because it's quick, it's faster to open up Machine, start a new project and just start producing and start working. But then when I'm done, if I want to do more work like vocals and stuff, then I add Machine as an instrument in my DAW, which is Cubase. So when I add Machine as an instrument, I have a video for that. Go check it out. Add Machine as an instrument, VST instrument, then I can now record vocals on it. All right. And if you don't know how to do that, let me know in the comments. I can send you my link. I have a video already on that stuff. How to add Machine as a VST instrument in your DAW, especially in Cubase. This is Cubase 10 elements. All right. So now, usually I do a standalone. All right, standalone is cool and all, but then in the Machine, in the Cubase, I can import the machine in here, and then have all these instruments to play around with. I have all these samples. All right, see, I got samples, man. I can move around. I got all these that came with the software, and I'm sure you can buy some more. This is cool. All right, this is cool. Um, your drums and all kinds of stuff you can get with this. All right, you get loops and samples. So when you're producing in this in your DAW, you can actually have a mix and match. You can use the VSTs that came with the DAW, and also you can use the VSTs that came. We can use the Machine groups and projects and instruments that came with the machine. So it gives you a vast option as a producer. I don't want to be locked into using one thing or doing one thing. I want to be able to play with my keyboard. I want to be able to hit the drums the way I want. I want to be able to copy and paste. I want to be able to move around as long as I get my sound right. All right. So now you know why people buy a lot of stuff, better softwares, a lot of hardwares, VSCs. So you have options. All right. So do you produce more Machine as a standalone, or do you use Machine in your DAW? Okay, so leave your comments below. Let me know how that works out for you. Either way is fine. But this is what I'm going to be doing from now on. I'm going to be opening up Cubase and then start my production in Cubase so I can use I can have a nice GUI that's more friendly. Okay, and that's about it. Okay, so let me know what you think. This is Cubase 10. As I move along in it, I'm gonna make videos show you how to use it. I suggest it's it's not that expensive. Cubase 10 elements. You don't have to go to the full studio if you don't want to. If you're doing production and basic stuff, and not really basic, this is more than basic, really. So I've used Cubase for years. If I have a need to go to the Cubase studio, big joint, I probably will, but I don't think so. I've always used the big joints all the time. This is affordable, so you can just buy it and use it. Produce right out of the box. Okay. Leave your comments below and let me know what you want to see or what you think about producing in your DAW or producing in Cubase and Maschine standalone. All right. Till next time. Peace out. Go ahead and subscribe.